Okay, so it is nothing but it is showing how it is beautiful and how even a woman's life, okay, is controlled within the society. As a bonsai tree, even not about a woman's life, because it is not written in today's date, this poem. It is a very old poem. So, in those days, women were restricted to do many things. Okay, so the author has taken the example of a bonsai tree in explaining the life of a woman. Okay, that's how they were controlled. That's all. Okay, it is a very small and a beautiful short poem. Okay, so the gardener croons. So, what is the meaning of croons? Is
मैम नोट नहीं कर
he
रहे हो?
speaks softly and gently to the tree.
रुक जाओ पहले 3
Okay,
तो आ ही गया ना.
crooning means what? Talking softly and
यही वाला है ना
gently to
बस.
the
यही
tree.
3 है ना.
So the gardener was so interested in the trees, in gardening, not only that particular
ठीक है
bonsai
नहीं
tree,
आया.
he was
रुक जाओ पहले. अरे
interested
यार
in
भूल जाएगा
gardening and
बाद
he
में.
used to talk to every plant.
ठीक है आ गया. लो 3
It
ही
is
है ना
your
3 ही.
nature
ये
to
नोट
be
कर लेना
small
यहाँ
and
से.
cozy. So he is telling in nature, will all the trees be small and cozy? Can we make everything bonsai?
No,
Can
ma'am.
we? What will happen to the world then? We won't get oxygen at all. Okay,
Yes.
so but so he's telling we cannot. Actually, he's telling it's very nice to be cozy and all that. But in fact, in true, it is not so. We want real, natural trees. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
domestic and weak. He's so. What does a domestic and weak? It means that the lady's life or even the bonsai tree's life is very weak. It may die anytime because it is small. Anything can damage it. Same way, a lady's life is also a woman's life also is weak. Anyone can damage it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
How lucky little tree. So he's telling the tree you're so lucky because you're in a comfort zone. Where is the plant? It is in the house and it is potted in a cute little pot. So this is only the poem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So there will be question answers. Do they give question answers in your book? I mean in your class?
No, ma'am, not yet.
So everything, no, usually they now after you're going to 9 senior classes, usually they won't give question answers. But in your school, do they give?
Ma'am, I don't think so. They will give much question and answer. Like this.
Usually, you're not supposed to only restrict yourself only from those question answers. You should find the inner depth of the lesson or the story. Make your own questions. Ask your own questions to yourself. Why is the author trying using this word? What is the meaning of this word? Okay, we should
Yes, ma'am.
try to find out the meaning and explain everything in detail. Whenever we write, because since you are entering 9th standard, you cannot restrict yourself in answering 1 or 2 lines. You have to answer each lesson in 5 lines. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
How is your writing? Very fast, or do you write slowly, or how is it?
Ma'am, if you can, if you write fast, you can write fast, but I can also read good handwriting. Yes.
But you have to practice. Since you are entering 9th, then next year it will become little tough. So answers must be little detailed. Okay, and English is such a distinct
Okay.
language where you can explain one sentences in many forms in 2 3 meanings. That I will teach you as you join the classes. Okay. For now it's over and winding up. Okay. Yeah. Bye. What